Good afternoon, good morning, good day. Super excited. How are you doing? How are you doing? Good afternoon. Let's go, Forex. Let's go. Cryptocurrency. Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're joining from. You can hear me. Let me know you guys can hear me. You can hear me. Let me know you guys can hear me. Let me know you guys can hear me if you can hear me. Go. Yeah. Where are you joining from? Let's share. I'm getting the link out for where are you joining from? Let's share Telegram. Let's share. Today is cryptocurrency day. And we're going to be talking about what is possible and what the market has for us today. Wow. Where are you joining from? Tell me. Let me share my screen. So, guys, you're welcome one more time to the cryptocurrency update with Mayowa Owolabi. I will do this every Thursday where we talk about the cryptocurrency market, we talk about the fundamental, what has happened in the course of the week. Then we also take it to the analysis where we now analyze the our position technically, and we also talk about the sentiment. And last week was amazing, and I can tell you for free that this week also will be a great time. Okay, so I want to be sure you guys can hear me. Just let me know. Fantastic. Okay, so yeah, joining Johnny from the land of belief, Okay, Joseph says Johnny from Lagos, Nigeria. Fantastic. So let's see what has happened between last week and now in the fundamental space, the news, what has really happened. Then we can take it up from there. Okay, so the Kraken CEO, regulators lead bad guys, get big and blow out to serve their agenda. So let's see what are they saying on this basis, what has happened. The chief executive of the cryptocurrency Kraken, Jesse Powell, took to Twitter Sunday to express his opinion regarding crypto regulation. In the United States. And the executive began, I have a theory. Regulators let the bad guys get big and blow up because it serves their agenda. Okay, so Powell proceeds to name 3 goals he believes regulators are trying to achieve. The first is to destroy capital resources in the ecosystem, he wrote. The second is to burn people and deter adoption, he continued, adding that the third is to give air cover to attack good actors. Okay, so that is his own view, guys, about what the regulators are trying to do. But for me, I think one of the major things the regulators are trying to do is to find a way to also be in control. Okay, they are surprised how the cryptocurrency market as an industry is really performing, and they are not in control, they are not in charge. Okay, so I think that's the major contribution or major influence that the market is trying to do. So I think everybody needs to know that. Okay, they can't stop the cryptocurrency space. Okay, they can't stop it. They can't. Okay, Coinbase, IEX launches new crypto exchange. Okay, let's see what is cryptocurrency. Coinbase, US largest cryptocurrency exchange, and Brad Katsuyama, IEX exchange board, are reportedly in talk to create a federally regulated digital exchange. Okay, Coinbase, this move has landed amid the recent increase crypto-related scrutiny by the US SEC. So if they put up this together, it will allow the federal government to be in control of that particular asset. Okay, Charles Gasparo, a Fox business journalist, reviewed Coinbase as an IEX keeping in sight the horrible FTX collapse. Okay, he added that Brand and Sam, which is the SBF, earlier had a meeting with the US SEC chair Gary Gensler in order to gain approval. So if they can gain that approval, they will open up an exchange that the Fed could be able to control. Okay, let them finish up that project. They will see if it will fly, or not. Okay, if it will fly or not. Let's see. We are here. We are waiting. Let's see if that project will fly. But they need to seek approval first. Okay. SBF to appear in Voyager bankruptcy case. Let's see. This particular guy, I'm tired of his news. You know, when politics is involved in something, or when politicians are involved in something, it's really hard to get to the root of it. But we are here, we're studying. Metal verified shows a company running out of ideas. Okay, that's not really crypto based. Binance chief strategy officer, fears strict US crypto regulation could choke out the industry. Yeah, it's not a good one. It's not a good one, but we are in the face. I've taught you guys before that every innovation spans between 100 years, especially when it comes to money innovation. Okay, naira is the only currency. Sorry, fiat currency is the only currency that has stayed over 100 years. Every other one is always been within 100 years. Within 100 years. So, and the first 15 years is always the speculators, when people, the early adopters, sorry, then we move into the institution. So this is the time that the institutions are trying to take position. So I feel they will take positions, but not like stopping the whole industry. I'm not sure they will, because this is an innovation that we've been waiting for, and it has come to stay. Okay, Litecoin network gets its first NFT after developer forks Bitcoin ordinals. Okay, some FTX customers can withdraw their money in Japan. How come? How come? Trading on major exchanges spiked following the collapse of Terra FTX at the expense of smaller holders by reducing their Bitcoin stockpiles as retailers. Okay, Hong Kong. Now the Asia coins has been manifesting, has been playing out well. The Asian coins. So maybe in the course of the session today we'll talk about them. Kraken criticized regulation. I spoke about this earlier. The Asian coins. World Wide Web investor joins the list of crypto critics. That's the new YouTube CEO is bullish in Web3 tech like NFT and metaverse. Yeah, guys, a lot will be happening in the next bull run around the Web3 space. So get ready, position yourself. Metaverse Mastermind explains why VR is so difficult. You need to check up that. Crypto investors gallots to short flagships funds after FTX collapse. A lot of red flag. Why Chinese coins are gaining massive yield? Why? Because I was in a meeting where we were talking about that. Okay, so Hong Kong is set to officially make crypto purchasing, selling, and trading entirely legal for all the residents starting from June 1, 2023. So later this year, it means that the Asian space, the market will be regulated. Woo! And that is good for the market. So a lot of new funds will come in, guys. The announcement has fueled a rally in Chinese coins, and the China narrative has gathered steam in the past week. Okay, for the past 1 week, they've rallied over 20%, 30%, even some as far as 45%. So I think we need to check them out. So what are the Asia coins we can look out for? Asia project. So crypto assets analyst believes the China coin narrative is here to stay, and holders can expect further gains in documents like in assets like Filecoin, Neo, Conflux, VetCoin, VetChain, and Quiton. We're going to check these 4 assets today. You're going to check their positions. You're going to go in if you're interested in getting these assets, because they will move. They will move. Okay. The Chinese coins in the top 100 currencies by market cap is Filecoin, VetChain. I've told you guys about VetChain for a while. A lot of you that bought, you would have been in massive profit by now. Okay, CFX. So we're going to check the technical analysis for all of this, and we are good to go. So whenever we are done with the fundamental we always take it further to talk about the sentimental. And whenever we're talking about sentiment, we're talking about the fear and greed index. Okay, the fear and greed index. The fear and greed index has a lot to do whenever you're talking about the sentiment in the market. And currently, a lot is happening in the market. And I've told us that since we came into this place, last week we were still around this place. Okay, last week we were around this place. We're around 62, 52 last week. So right now is around 56. And this could take us to about 80 before we can see the drop. So right now I'm going to be trading technically some asset that I can go in both on futures, both on futures and both on spot. So just to catch in those moves. But like I said, I'm not ready for my long-term asset right now. I think there's something that will be happening later in the year that will allow these coins go down. From where we are right now, I don't think there's a momentum that can go in, because what we even have right now, the technical analysis, is a flip rejection on Bitcoin, and a flip rejection doesn't take market to the top. It is demand and supply that takes market to the top. So we're going to check all of that later. So currently, fear is telling us that a lot of people in the market are bullish, which is good. Then we take it up from there. Let me check what you guys are saying right there. Good to have you guys. Tell me where you guys are joining from. Tell me. And if you are sharing, please share. You need to share. Where are you joining from? Where are you joining from, guys? Tell me. Please, you guys need to share. Let's get other people to see this, that we are live. We are live. Where are you guys joining from? Tell me. Tell me where you're joining from. Fantastic. Okay. John Mokro says he's joining from Lagos. Omoike says he's joining from Ogun State. Good to have you. Okay. Amao says he's joining from Oyekiti. Wow. Good to have you. Okay. Ekiti is closer to Akure now. I'll be in Akure later in the year. Okay. Emmanuel Grace Wealth is joining from Yola. Wow. Good to have you guys on today. So let's share. In the next in the next 15 seconds, everybody, let's click on the share button. Let's share. I want to share myself right now. Then we'll come back to the chart as usual. Then we'll do some technical analysis and we are good to go. Good. Let's share. Once you have shared, put in 5. Once you have clicked on share, put in 555. Once you have clicked on share, put in 555. Let's go. Once you have clicked on share, put in 555. Where are you? Yes. Share to groups. 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 Let's go. Let's do that. I'm sharing. That's the only way we can help other people see this. And we are in this together. It's not just because I'm the trainer. We are in this together. We need to help people so that people that are buying wrong coins will have a better understanding. Okay? Fantastic. Click on the share button. If you have done that, type in 5. 5. Okay, Oyekiti is not far from Akure. Yeah, I'll be in Oyekiti later in the year. My first bus stop this year is Ibadan. We're doing a lot of stops in Ibadan. Okay, so let's go. And the first asset we always talk about is Bitcoin. What are we expecting on Bitcoin? As usual, good, 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 good. Hey, Olagunju, good to have you. Okay, so Bitcoin has rejected from this flip zone. Okay, so I'm expecting a retracement here. Okay, short term buy. Are we taking a retracement from this? We're already at the flip zone. Sorry, we already have liquidity here. So, so I'm expecting the market to pull back down so that we can take that buy in that from this flip zone and take it to 45, 43%, 43,000, sorry. And that will be a good whoopee 135%. Okay, so I see this happening, okay, because of this impulse move. Okay, this impulse move. So it is impulse move. If you can get retracement down, we're going to buy. So that's my bias for Euro US. So can we now sell to the bottom? Now, selling will mean that you must be a future trader. And if you want to do that, that means that you have to obey some intraday rules of engagement. So what I'll be expecting is I need a retracement back to this place. We already have volume. I need a retracement back to this place. When we add this market pull up, we add this. So I would expect to sell here, but that'll be on futures, please. On futures. Okay. So I could take a 5 pip. Sorry. I could take some, I could risk like maybe 3% of my accounts here to take this sell down to this place, which is not bad. Which is not bad. So that's my bias for this will be my first take profit. So for future traders, you have to you look at your entry around that zone before you decide. So this might view for futures. This will be my view for futures. To be a sell around 42, 42, let's just say around 23,000. Let's just say around 23,000. Sorry, 25,000. Sorry, 25,000. Anything around that place, I'll be looking for a sell on. But the bigger picture, like I said, the buyers are more in the market right now. But there will be a retracement. You know, I don't buy impulse. Okay, I don't buy impulse. We have to wait for the retracement. That will take it off from there. Then the next one we'll always talk about for the week is Ethereum. Ethereum also, if Bitcoin is dropping, Ethereum too will drop. Okay. So Ethereum too is actually on a flip zone. So I feel it will go up to 23 to 2009, then come back to 4,500, which is where I'm going to be buying for the year, for the long term. But I'm not going to buy here for long term. I'm not going to buy here for long term. But I'm going to trade it. Okay. Is that clear? Is it clear? Is Bitcoin clear? Okay, Emmanuel Greatword says, when are you coming to North? Okay, so maybe after handover. Okay. In 2019, I was in Kaduna, I was in Jos, I was in Abuja, I was in I think I went to 5 states in the north in 2019. So, but this year, what is on my mind right now is still the north. Sorry, it's still the western part. The west. Then from the west, we'll go to the east. Then maybe the third trip will be to the north. We've not decided yet, so we've only decided for the west now. So we are doing Ibadan. We're doing Ibadan first. So what project do you want us to check out right now? Tell me. We've joined Bitcoin. We've analyzed Bitcoin. Which asset? Let's check let's check the Asian coins. Okay, the Asian coins. Let's check the Asian coins. Let me post it for you. So these are the Asian coins. So we're going to be checking that. Okay. Let's check VETs first. Let's check VET first. Let's check VET first. Okay. So the last time we spoke about VET, I told you guys that we are buying from 0.005 and we are also buying from this guy's being used. So let's use 3 months. Wow, 6 months. Okay, so the best place to buy VET is here. However, let's see the import that is already happening on VET. Okay, so he's already reacting to this zone. So what I see happening is that it doesn't have the right to go up straight. So we need to see some momentum down. You need to see some momentum down. Okay, to somewhere here. You can start buying from 0.06. 0.06 VET. But the best is to buy from 0.008. So if you start buying from 0.01, then you can double up. As it goes down more, you keep buying for a dollar cost average, because this particular asset had gone as far as 0.26%. These Asian coins, I think they would perform in the long. That's 4,000 move. And if you use my technical analysis strategy, this could take us as far as 45 cents, 45 to 40 cents. This could take us to 45 to 40 cents. And if you go with that, wow, woo, that is 1,700%. So if you pick from our entry, so that's about 2,000%. And if you pick from the extreme low, that's about 4,700%. So that means there's a lot. There's a lot that we can do on this chart, but this is still the first move. Okay, this is the first move. So we can get a retracement. We're going to be good to go for VET. VET is a good project. Hmm? VET chain is a good project. Let's check those who are the investors in VET. Let's check the investors in VET. Let's see the top C. Operation is 22%. Team is 5%. This is a very good tokenomics, guys. This is a very good tokenomics, which is major for me to buy any project. Why? The team is just 5%, so it means they are not selfish. They have 22% for operational development, which is good. They have 41% for crowd sale, which is good. And they bond 13%. They plan to bond, they bond 13% already. So this is a good plan, a very good token distribution. Very good one. So a lot of time when I do that, I can also check from here. You can see this Vembushi is an investor in VET, but that's not enough. I can copy it and go to VET crypto rank. Crypto rank. So from crypto rank, we'll talk about crypto rank, VET. So who are the investors in VET? What is their pre-launch rates? Okay, so if you check, the major investor is Vembushi. Wow, this guy has been performing well. Only last year that I gave that. This is what you should be doing before you go and put money in any project. Okay, just I don't have. I'm looking for it. You just jump in. Okay, let me check another. That's what I want here. Let me see if I can get some more detail. But I need to see some investors that are involved in this. Then Bush Capital, I've not done research on them, so I need to be sure. So Bechuku. Omana ini nana. Hey. Okay, so Uh, I am not seeing what I want. I'm not seeing what I want. But the tokenomics is not bad. So this kind of asset, what I will now do, are you ready? Should I tell you? Should I tell you? Type in, tell us, type in, tell us, type in, tell us. Should I tell you? So in this kind of asset, when I can get a lot of checklist around it, what I'll now do is I will trade it. Okay, I'll just trade it. I will just trade it as a tradable asset. It won't be my long-term asset. Okay, I'll just profit from the chart trading technical. So do you understand now? So you trade it technically. You trade it technically so that so I will just trade this as a tradable asset because the tokenomics is good, but the tokenomics is good, but the I can't see the investors, I can't see the team. Let's go to the website, sir. Account number, another. Let's check the team. They have two websites. I will answer your question. Just hold on. Okay. Grant program. Where is the team? But it's really a project that is making sense. Oh. Wow. Look at their advisory board. Brian Capital. FinTech Partner. Oh, really? Okay. This is what I'm looking for. Ocean X. These are their I can have this guy. I can have this guy. I can have this guy. Look at their pro. He's even a come on. They even have product, safe food safety, supply chain. Yeah, now. So this guy I've gotten like 70% of my gotten it. Is it making sense, guys? Is it clear now, guys? Okay. Good. So I think they are good. So we move from there. The second project we are going to be checking is NEL. NEL is also an Asian coin. NEL is an Asian coin. NEL is an so let's go to NEL. Let's check what NEL is doing. NEL. NEL. So this is NEL. So NEL is giving us that same feel right now because we had a structure destroying here. So I'm going to be let's go. Like I tell you, I don't buy at impulse. So I'll wait for retracement. So I'll buy at $6. What's the highest rate of NEL before now? Wow, NEL has gone as far as 130. Wow. So we can get NEL right now at the second move. Let's see. Not bad. So NEL, I think NEL is good too. NEL is good too. But technically it's good. Can we go and check the fundamental too? Can we check the details? Sorry, I said fundamental. We already just said, you can see this guy has more people as a team. Head investor. It's about 16 people working. Wow. I am interested, though. I am interested, though. I am interested, though. Are you excited? These are projects you will naturally want to be involved. Let's go and check some other. I'm already taking you on some premium stuff, so but I see some of you will not take decisions. Some people will still not buy it. No. Some people will still not buy it. Some people say no money. Are you guys excited? So, there is a comprehensive smart economy incorporating digital assets, digital identity, and smart contract. I'll read all of this later. Okay. It is sometimes called Chinese Ethereum. Chikena. So a lot of projects in China, in the Asian space, they will want to work with NEL. Hey, yeah. I'm liking what I'm seeing what I'm liking. Yeah. Let me stop there so that the paid members will not be like, Mr. Mayowa, it's everything you are showing. So technically, we're going to be buying it now. Anything below $8, okay? Anything below $8, we're going to buy now and hold it for the next 2 years. Okay? We're going to be buying now and holding it for the next 2 years. So this is really how it should be done. Okay? Any other projects? I've done 2 Asia projects for you guys today. Somebody is asking where's the question? Please, sir, what do you have on Wakanda Inu? Wakanda Inu is not a project that I have money in. And the reason why is because it's a meme coin. It's a meme coin. And when it is a meme coin, it is 1% of my portfolio. It is 1% of my portfolio. So I didn't buy Wakanda Inu. A lot of people are like, Mr. Mayowa, buy it, all of that. I didn't buy it. And I tried, I don't buy noise. I don't buy noise. So I did a video that before you buy Wakanda Inu, watch this video. And I said it in that video. A lot of people bought, they just bought. This is not the last one. Let me use the BNB. Wakanda. So Wakanda, is this it? There's a particular Wakanda, that I analyzed on one of my videos. I think is it. Let me check their Wakanda. Let me get their address. Yes. Oh, I didn't do analysis on Wakanda, sorry. I did analysis on WikiCat. Sorry. So if I'm going to be adding it, maybe I'll check some other things too that will make me join. So the last time it was Wiki. It was Wiki. I won't add wiki cards to my portfolio now because it has to come down. I can't enter where it is right now. It's not wisdom. So somebody says, sir, what is your... So can we check SFP? It's a decentralized wallet and also FG. Let's check it. SFP. You know, the reason why a lot of people just miss out in cryptocurrency and they lose is because SFT. SFT is on. It's not so. I think it's SFP. Sorry. SFP. Yeah. Wow, it's a good time to buy it if it meets your condition. If it meets your condition, this is where I said people should not buy. And you wait for the market to cool out because some investors will take some profit. Then this is the place to buy. But I've not done my checklist. I've not done research on this. But technically, it's a good time to buy. FEG. Technically, FEG. Okay, you can see the pull off. The pull off. You don't buy on that pull off. Allow it to cool down. Now, this is a cool down zone. So at this cool down zone, woo, is putting some stores. Woo! It's putting some stores right there. So if it meets your checklist, they are both at a place that is good to buy. They are both at the place that is good to buy. Is that clear, Joshua? If you check the all-time high of this guy, FEG, it's not even giving us that. Let me see if I have FEG. Tobe, oh, Tobe Chuku. Okay. So it looks like a ready asset. So this is the same impulse. Don't buy on the impulse. Then the market retraces back. Okay. Another impulse. So you can buy here if you are a long-term trader, or you wait for another what? Impulse. So this is how we trade in the premium group. Okay. Have I helped you today, guys? Okpemiko says, Mr. Mayowa, you have like 50 tabs open. Look at you, Okpemiko. Well, no. It's less. It's about 12. I don't open up to that. As a matter of fact, a lot of time it's not more than 10. But it's because while we are working, I just opened the research platform. Okpemiko, see your mouth. Okay, so Joshua, I think those two projects are not bad, but you must have confirmed they meet your your fundamental analysis before you put your money in. But technically, they are good to go. Technically, they are good to go. So let's go. So somebody say, I've answered the wiki card analysis. It has to come really down before we can put money in. I've answered SFP and yeah. Then please, what is the name of the coins again? So the name of the coin is SFP, and if that is the one I've just analyzed, though, the one I finished analyzing now is for Mr. Joseph. Okay, and I said the SFP is good for technical analysis. Okay, that is his location. So I only gave him location to buy. But I said before you want to buy, it must meet your fundamental analysis. Okay, which I can't do that right now. Okay, check FEG too. Who are the investors in FEG? If you don't have my 21 cryptocurrency checklist, you have to buy that book. If you have that book, you will not have issue selecting. Okay, you not have issue selecting. And I've told you in that 21, you just need to have an average between 5 and 10. Once you see 5 and 10 out of them, chicken, now go and buy. Okay, fantastic. Hope we've done well today. So we've analyzed Bitcoin, we've analyzed Ethereum, we analyzed NEO USDT. We also analyzed VET chain. And I said VET chain is a good project technically. NEO has more fundamental approval than VET. Okay? Than VET. Then we came from there to SFP, and from SFP we went to FEG, which is what Mr. Joshua asked. Okay? Have I been able to help you today, guys? Tell me. Have I helped you today? Have I helped you today? Help. I just want to help you guys. And the reason why we check all those Asian coin, the reason why we check those Asian coin is because they have all it takes. So, I've told you by June, it's going to be official in the Asia space that people can invest their money. And if they do that, that means that the industry will boom in the Asia space. The industry will boom, like boom well. Okay, good. The industry will boom. The industry will boom. Okay, guys. So have a great evening. For a lot of you that are interested in my mentorship in cryptocurrency, we have a community where we talk about cryptocurrency project before they are launched. We talk about launch pads. We talk about technical analysis, how to trade futures. A lot of you are having issues with futures trading. You need to be in the cryptocurrency community. We also have access to my top 10 projects, where to stake them. You're going to be having access to that in the community. So if you're interested, please reach out to Bukola, and that's the number showing on your screen, so that she can get you started. And I'm sure somebody is saying, how much is it, Mr. Mayowa? Okay. So it's actually 1,500 for 1 year. But since our anniversary, we gave people for $1,000. So it was $1,000. You have access to it for 1 year, where you get my training, you get weekly analysis, then we'll scale it on from there. And we are good to go. So if you're interested, reach out to Bukola, showing on your screen. She will definitely help you. Samuel Ojo says, thank you for today. You're welcome. And if you want to get started, you want to buy my books on cryptocurrency. I have 2 books on cryptocurrency. Reach out to Bukola. I have you just Okoyepo says, how do I search for such cryptocurrencies? Okoyepo, you need to buy the book on cryptocurrency checklist. Okay? Buy cryptocurrency checklist. 21 cryptocurrency checklist. Buy the cryptocurrency code. These 2 books is my books on cryptocurrency. Okay? If you read these 2 books, you will understand what it takes to select assets. If you cannot start the mastermind immediately. Okay? So reach out to Bukola. She will offer you. The book is 10,000 naira, but I've been giving it out for 50%. So get it before it increases. That's 5,000 naira instead of 10,000 naira. Okay, it's a lot of work to research cryptocurrency. You have to check cryptocurrency, then the project, the use case, the token, the investors, how long have they invested, what kind of project have they done before. Read the book now. Which one do you have? If you have the book, which one do you have? Have you read the book? Confession time. Have you read the book? You have a solution now. Have you read the book? You are not answering me. I've read parts. Go and finish it. You have the solution already. Especially the 21 cryptocurrency checklist. Okay? Yep. Peace out, guys. I'll see you guys on Saturday, where we'll talk about business, online businesses you can do, how you can make money for yourself, and how you can scale up. That's what we'll talk about on Saturday. Do have a pleasant evening. My name is Mayowa. Peace out, guys. God bless.